Hey guys, welcome back to another mod review, and what we're going to be doing today is Obsidian plus. So yeah, it just adds Obsidian stuff. So here's all the armor. I'm just going to show you how to craft it. I'm just going to show you the pattern. So that's the Obsidian chestplate. Do you like my cursor? It's pretty cool. Anyway, that's the Obsidian helmet. That's the Obsidian leggings, and that is the Obsidian boots. So that's all the armor. And let's move on to the tools. So this is an Obsidian axe, an Obsidian pickaxe, an Obsidian sword. A sword's not really a tool, but I put it there anyway. Obsidian shovel, and Obsidian hoe. And I'm not so sure how to make the Obsidian paxel, but you can jump on the forums, which will be in the description, and you can check that out for yourself, because like I said, it's late at night and I can't really do it. Anyway, so other stuff, just how to make obsidian stairs. Now I'm not sure if obsidian stairs are breakable, like indestructible from TNT, so I've set up this little contraption here. So as you can see, these are obsidian stairs, so I'm going to make the TNT blow them up and see if it does anything. And also, to make an obsidian ingot, you just smelt obsidian like that. Now I just put a stick in there, so it's obviously not gonna go the whole way, but you get the point. So yeah, let's try this out. Run. Apparently not. Good work, mod creator. I've seen that on a lot of mods where it's like a bedrock stairs, but they still blow up and stuff. So yeah, good work. And that was the Obsidian plus mod, and like I said, the forum thread will be in the description. So yeah, go download it and play it and use it and say it. Obsidian plus Obsidian plus.